The young Italian Attilio Viviani, only 23 years old, started his season in style like that of his team Cofidis, who returned to the tropics after 6 years of absence, taking the first stage between Bidam and Ibolowa in neighboring Cameroon. Elia Viviani's younger brother, one of the biggest sprinters in the peloton, also demonstrated that he went fast in sprinting. He won in front of the French Lorenzo Manzan of the Total Direct Energy team and the young Eritrean Benim Girmay of Nippo Delco Marseille, these two who had already won stages on the Tropical in 2019. It's a great satisfaction to open the victory counter from the first race, said Alain Deloy, sporting director of the Cofidis team. All the guys worked hard to get Attilio into the sprint in the best possible conditions. He is the oldest of the Pierre-Luc Perichon team who had prepared the work by joining a breakaway made up of the Moroccan Adel Arbaoui, the Rwandan Moise Mugisha and the Eritrean Dawit Yemane. The Frenchman had managed to control the pace of this group when the peloton came back at high speed. The breakaway was condemned 30 kilometers from the finish, and despite a final attack by the Rwandan Joseph Areruya, winner of the Tropical in 2018, we were then heading for a massive sprint in the streets of Ibolowa where the public had responded. This is Barry reporting for Savana Habesha Sport.